Welcome back to Tim's. Marlon, kamusta ka?
The best.
Talagang ang ganda ng music natin, ang ganda ng set natin. At abangan nyo, magara din ang ating guest ngayon.
Yun.
Punong-puno ng groove.
Yeah.
Ayan, ang guest natin tonight ay miyembro ng bandang hindi backstroke, hindi rin breaststroke, at hindi rin butterfly. Hindi ako nakaisip ng joke na yun. Si Chari nakausap.
Si Chari.
Okay, sinisigurado ka lang. Okay. Kung natawa kayo, ako nag-isip nun. Ayan. Siyempre, kung hindi backstroke, hindi breaststroke, hindi... Ano pa ba natitira? Butterfly. Ano kaya?
Baka freestyle.
Freestyle! Yan! He is the man behind the songs Mananatili, performed by the band Freestyle, Bawat Tao by Brand New Funk. At yung mga kanta niyang True Love, yung paborito ko sa Himig Handog Jam ito eh. Talagang tulala! Nakikisabay kami dito nung panahon na to. At siyempre, yung paborito ng lahat, yung Iba ka na pala ngayon. Yan. Yung kung meron kang pawis sa ilong, mahuhulog pag naglaro ka ng ganon. Yan, maririnig natin mamaya at yung ni Yosha. Maraming magagandang kanta na kailangan abangan natin. Singer, songwriter, producer, arranger, alam ko, dancer din to eh.
Yun na.
Yan. 1/6 of the band Freestyle Teamster. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan para kay Mike Lewis! Wow! That was it! That was it! Asaya! Ayan, mapagmamalaki mo na sa mga anak mo.
Wow!
Alam mo si Mike ay naaabutan ko yan, Wednesday group pa yan ng isang That's Entertainment. Huwag natin itago dahil pinagpupugayan natin si Kuya Germs. At ako'y fan na noon pa lang nung kumo-cover ka pa ng mga Michael Jackson. So, bago ang lahat, welcome to Tim's, Mike Lewis!
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's an honor. It's an honor to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
So, totaling yung iyong pagtapak sa industriya, how many years na from the time na pumasok ka sa That's Entertainment?
I entered that's 1992.
92. So, madami na.
Hindi ko na binibilang.
Binibilang. Grabe, ilang taong ka nun? 12?
Something like that.
Mga ganon. Talagang sobrang bata ka nun eh. At alam ko, kuha mo yung pati damit ni Michael Jackson, nakakami sa
Ay,
dento ng
grabe.
puti.
Paborito ko talaga.
Bitin yung pantalon mo, may medyas kang kaganon. So, is it safe to say na yun talaga yung idol mo, musically? And
Hindi ko na matatago.
hindi matatago, ano? So, yun eh, hindi na, alam na ng buong bansa yata yun.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi talagang lahat ng kanta ni Michael Jackson na cover mo na. At sana natabi mo yun sa sa...
Hindi ko nga alam paano ilipat sa from
Yun na.
VHS to...
Ang ganda nun kasi the world would want to see that kung paano nagsimula ang Mike Lewis at paano. Okay, bukod kay Michael Jackson, sino pa ang mga influences mo?
Stevie Wonder.
Ay, naku naman.
Stevie Wonder.
Hanap gumawa ng
Stevie
kanta yun,
Wonder.
ano?
Oo.
Singer, pero yung kanyang craftsmanship sa songwriting,
Ang galing niya magsulat ng
ang
kanta.
galing, ano? Lyrically at saka musically.
Yes.
Would you say na malaking impluwensya doon sa mga lumabas na kanta mo?
Sobra.
Yung style.
Sobra.
Kaya pala.
Pati sa pag-awit.
Yung ganyang songwriting, inaral mo ba talaga o dahil sa influences mo, lumabas na lang?
Mahilig kasi ako makinig ng music during that time. And
Oo.
during that time,
Oo.
yung naririnig kong music,
Oo.
malaganon.
Nahirapan ka ba dun sa pagpasok mo sa industry na you were coming in as an R&B artist na genre na hindi marami pang gumagawa?
I think yung style ng music
Oo.
na ginawa ko
Oo.
ng song na yon during
Yes.
that time, hindi matatanggap ng ganun kadali.
Hindi nga kaya pa, oo.
But I think it was the message of the lyrics
Okay.
na madaling natanggap ng tao.
Sa OPM, sino yung talagang sa'yo influential na music producer?
I'm very happy to say na yung answer to your question
Yes.
is someone that I've had the pleasure to produce my album.
Yes, oo.
None other than Mr. Jimmy
Jimmy
Antiporda.
Antiporda. Alam si Jimmy, very generous kasi na tao yan. And when he believes believe that someone can really do a good job. And nailala ko, binibida niya talaga ikaw. Yeah, I remember he was saying, you should meet this guy, magaling to, ang laki ng potential nito na, and sabi ko ang pangalan, Mike Lewis. Ay, kilala ko na yan. That's why nasundan ko yung career mo because of Jimmy. Malaking bagay yon. So siya pa lang nag-produce nung una mong album.
It was like a dream come true to meet him because I was just a kid.
Oo.
I was just writing songs.
Oo.
I joined the song jingle writing
Yeah.
competition.
Oo.
Swerte ko, siya yung judge.
Ayun.
Talo ako.
Oo.
Talo, di ba?
Talo pero panalo ka. Kasi
A week after, tinawagan na, who's this? Jimmy Antiporda. I'm like, I want to produce your album. Oh my God, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Ganun katindi ang effect mo kay Jimmy Antiporda. That's how generous he is, ano?
Yeah.
When he sees a potential. Okay, backtrack tayo ng konti. Yung namang sa actual songwriting, kailan ka nagsimula? As in, how early?
11, I think.
11.
Oo. I just loved listening to the radio.
Oo.
All day long listening to the
Oo.
radio and wow, favorite songs.
Oo.
Yung sinasabi ko, sana dream ko lang makasulat ako ng katulad ng naririnig ko na
Oo.
paborito kong kanta.
Yes.
So, yun, why not try? Give it a try.
Oo. Naalala mo about, is it crush ba? Oo.
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 Yeah,
Kadalasan
love.
talaga yun ang
Love
una.
talaga,
eh.
love.
Oo. Naalala mo pa yung kahit konti nun? Kahit a cappella lang.
Ano yun yung title nun, You're Still the One I Love.
Ba? May ganun ka na nun? 11 ka pa lang, ha?
Oo.
Ikaw talaga, ha?
Oo.
Oh, sige.
Ayan.
Sige.
I'm still here where you left me.
Okay.
Hoping that you'll be back. And you know, wherever you go, I will wait for the day when I see you again. Because you're still the one I love. You're still the one I'm thinking of. Ain't gonna stop it now. Please come back to me.
Ganon. 11 years old, may please come back to me ka na.
Yun, no?
Talaga naman. I'm sure pantasa na kanta yun, ano?
Something.
Wala pa. 11, may please come back to me na eh. Or baka naman,
It's the
iniwang.
stuff you hear. It's the stuff you
okay.
hear around.
Nadadama ko na yung yung Michael Jackson, El DeBarge feel dun sa...
Actually.
Di ba? So, talagang malaking bagay yung pinapakinggan ng tao. At the time na bubrew yung kanyang musicality. Ano?
I think you really need something to inspire you,
Correct.
something you can pick up on.
Yes. And since then, ay marami ng awards ang natanggap mo. Awit Awards 1997, Best New Male Artist.
Yeah.
Aba.
Swerte
Isipin mo
ko.
yun? Best New Male, Best Dance Recording. Anong kanta yung sa Best Dance Recording?
Let Go.
Okay, alright. Ba nadali mo rin yun na same year?
Same year. Same album.
year. So, ang dami mo inuwing, nun, tawag ko doon, pandikdik eh. Di ba yung ganon? Yung mabigat pa nun eh.
Mabigat.
Sobrang bigat. At Best Engineered Album.
Yeah.
Ayan, nanalo na yan. At alam ko, magkalaban pa tayo sa isang songwriting competition sa Himig Handog.
Himig Handog!
Jam!
Jam!
Oo.
2000.
Isa yan sa mga paborito naming kanta, hindi lang ako. Marami na alala mo pa sa backstage, nag-jam tayo dun sa mga cubicles.
Wow,
na
those are happy
acapella.
times.
Oo,
Sobra,
acapella, nag-jam kami. And we go back to that song. Pwede bang
Yeah.
sample
True
lang mo
Love.
ako? True Love.
True Love.
Yan, bigyan mo nga ako ng konti dyan.
Whoa.
Everybody.
Maniwala ka sa simula't simula nang ikaw ay aking makita. Ikaw na nga ang true love ko.
Yeah.
Sinasabi ng iba na ako ay nagpapatawa. Hindi lang nila alam ang ligaya na nadarama. Sa tuwing ika'y nakikita, wala nang hahanapin pa iba. Mula nang makilala kita, sinta. nadarama. Maniwala ka. True love ang nadarama, kailan pa man. Yeah, true love ang nadarama. Maniwala ka. True love ang nadarama. Whoa, 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 whoa. True love.
Yeah. Pero, merong part dun sa second verse, yung may part na may tulala. Pwede ba, papakanta nga yun kasi gusto ko mag-back up
Sige,
mo.
sige.
Sige.
Ako'y nababaliw sa'yo, paatuhod, balikat at noo. Bakit pa ako nagkakaganto? Pwede ba kitang makasama sandali? Kahit saan ako magpunta, naiisip kita. Ako'y napapatulala.
Tulala! Tagal mo, hinihintay ko yung buong kanta pagdating doon. Ang ganda nung parang mga miron sa likod mo. Sino ba yung mga miron? Sila Josh ba yun?
Si Joshua.
Oo,
during
si
that time.
lead singer.
oo.
Tulala! Ganon. Kaya doon sa live, lahat kami sa likod sa bakas, tulala! Ganon. This is a true blue R&B song na kahit kantahin mo a cappella, alam mong R&B siya. Ayan. Ang ganda kasi we were discussing na most of the kids now come up with parang ganun na melodic structure. Pero ang R&B mo, being that ang yung influensya ay Stevie Wonder, Michael Jackson, may mga lipad, may mga ganun ano. Do you consciously put the leaps in para lang to make your brand of R&B?
Yung mga ganung bagay, hindi ko talaga pinipay ng attention.
Talaga?
Oo.
Oh.
I just really love to listen to the music that I like, and what I do is I try to find out where did this music come from.
Okay.
Like I find out Michael Jackson.
Oo.
Particular song was written by Stevie Wonder, produced by Quincy Jones. So I look
Yeah.
for Quincy Jones. And then I look for Rod Temperton. And then all of
Yes.
those other
Rock With
musicians
You,
behind
yan.
him.
Oo.
It goes back and back and back.
Okay.
So that's pretty much how I learn.
Ang lalim pala ng ng research mo, no?
Yes.
Dun sa
I love to research.
Oo. I mean, from that era, I'm sure hanggang Motown yan, umabot
Definitely.
yan. Paano ba ang songwriting process ng Mike Luis?
It just happens eh.
Okay.
For me, ang hirap nun ah. Ang dami kasing pwedeng way eh.
So walang isang paraan para sa'yo?
Walang isang paraan.
Okay. Ano yung mga ways? Through lyrics ba mo minsan?
It could be a melody that comes to me na, wow,
okay.
ang ganda ng melody. Like,
Okay.
I need to work on this.
Alright.
Or maybe a few words.
Okay.
Nice words.
Oo.
I need to make this a song.
Yun na. Okay.
So it depends on what comes to you first.
Yeah. So something that would spark
Yeah.
anything.
It could be the bass line, it could be the drum rhythm or something.
oo.
It could be any of those factors.
Ano yung ma-advise mo sa ating aspiring songwriters na kung seryoso na silang pasukin ng industriya?
Well, one thing I'm sure of about myself and what I do as well, writing music or music, I love it.
Oo.
So if you love it, then just keep doing it.
Mahalin nyo yung ginagawa nyo.
Ang sarap mabuhay pag ginagawa mo, enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Sarap ng buhay mo nun.
Yun na. Parang laro lang, ano? Masaya. Kaya kita mo naman. Parang tuwang-tuwa siya sa kanyang buhay. Break lang muna tayo sa babalik lamang ng Tim's. This is my story. This is my song with Mike Luis!
May stage fright talagang nangyayari,
Okay.
especially when you get there and then,
Oo.
lalo na in between the songs,
Oo.
parang, anong sasabihin ko sa crowd?
Yung mga spills ba?
Oo eh. So
Oo.
usually I just kind of just drink water para, well, since I'm drinking water, I can't talk.
So,
I'll
may
just drink
pampuno.
water.
Oo.
Oo. But yeah, I think it's more of the time stops when
Oo.
I perform. And even if nahihiya ako, yung feeling na nadadala kasi niya, worth it. Kahit nahihiya ako, yung nangyayari when I play,
Oo.
may kapalit talaga na hindi ko siya makukuha anywhere else when I'm off stage or
Yeah.
you know, when I'm doing something I really like. It's still different. I don't know, there's just something there. So when that happens, parang sige, kinakabahan ka pero okay lang. May nangyayari pa eh. Pero once that's done, ayun na talagang
Balik na ulit.
yun na.
Pero would you say the kaba really is essential to the whole thing? Kasi parang it brings up...
Kaba is like kilig, I guess.
Yun
You
na
know,
nga eh,
so,
you know.
Pag wala kang, hindi ka na kinakabahan, medyo kabahan ka na dapat.
Yun! Wow, ganda nun ha! Akin na yun. Ako nagagawa nung kanta na yun.
Sige.
Inunahan.
Pwede na.
Ang ganda nung line na yun. Pag di ka na kinakabahan, dapat kabahan ka na.
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi parang
Naging
wala nang...
complacent,
oo.
nawawala na yung,
Oo.
yung feeling
Correct.
sa'yo. But it doesn't mean na, you know, it's all the way a bad trip going down. Hindi
Oo.
naman ganun. Pero, there's just something you may have to recalibrate. Ayan. That's my
Yan.
favorite word. Word of the year, recalibration.
Oo.
And, yun,
Okay
parang
yun,
you
ah.
just have to constantly keep track of your feelings
Oo.
with whatever you do. I mean, whatever you
Oo.
choose to do.
Mm-mm.
Pag hindi ka happy, baka kailangan, or pag wala kang nararamdaman na takot, parang baka kailangan mag-break ka muna,
Mm-mm.
tapos pag-isipan mo yung
Correct.
nangyayari.
Oo.
Tapos balik ka,
Para...
see if it's still the same or if it's
Tama.
better.
Up next on Tim's.
Ba-na-na-na-na.